The topic here is derivative of logarithmic functions and exponential functions. So definition right here, derivative of e to the u. Of course, we're assuming u is a function of x. Is u prime e to the u, derivative of u e to the u, and derivative of ln of u is derivative of u over u. Right, both of them here. So here we have to use for the example 3, y is equal e to x cubed plus 1 times ln of 3x minus 1. So evidently we have to use product rule. So we think of this as f of x, and this is g of x. So remember, product rule says y prime is equal f prime of x times g of x plus g prime of x times f of x. So f prime of x means e to x cubed plus 1 f prime of x times g of x plus g prime of x, which is derivative of ln of 3x minus 1 g prime of x times f of x. That's the product rule. Now y prime is equal. Now we have to do the derivative of e to the u. So definition is right here. So u prime e to the u. So my u is 2x cubed plus 1. So derivative of u, which means derivative of 2x cubed plus 1 times e to the u, which is e to x cubed plus 1. Don't forget ln of 3x minus 1 plus. Now derivative of ln of 3x minus 1, thinking this is a u, so it's going to be plus u prime. Definition is right here. U prime over u, right? Derivative of u over u times e to x cubed plus 1. Now y prime is equal derivative of 2x cubed plus 1, 3 times 2 is 6, so that's 6x squared times e to x cubed plus 1 ln of 3x minus 1 plus derivative of 3x minus 1 is 3, so 3 e to x cubed plus 1 over 3x minus 1. I mean, you're done. You could rewrite this as one fraction, multiplying the bottom by 3x minus 1 and the top by 3x minus 1, but you don't have to do that. For example 4, y is equal ln of 4x squared minus 5 over e to the x cubed plus 1. So we have to use quotient rule y. Think of this as f of x, numerator is f of x, and denominator is g of x. So y prime, using the quotient rule says y prime is equal f prime of x times g of x. So derivative of f of x, derivative of ln of 4x squared minus 5. So derivative of f of x times g of x, which is e x cubed plus 1, minus derivative of g of x, e x cubed plus 1 derivative times f of x, which is ln of 4x squared minus 5. Everything over g of x squared, which is e x cubed plus 1 squared. Now y prime, or derivative of y, is equal. Now here we have to use derivative of ln of u. So this is my u, and derivative is right here. So we need derivative of u over u, which means derivative of 4x squared minus 5 over 4x squared minus 5 times e x cubed plus 1 minus. Then here we have to do derivative of e to the u. So definition is right here. So derivative of u, which is, remember this is my u x cubed plus 1. So derivative of x cubed plus 1 times u x cubed plus 1. Don't forget the ln of 4x squared minus 5. And then all of this is supposed to be over e. Now here use the power, multiply 2 by x cubed plus 1. So it's going to give you 2x cubed plus 2. Now y prime is equal to, first let me do all this. The denominator is e 2x cubed plus 2. Now derivative of 4x squared minus 5 is 8x over 4x squared minus 5 e x cubed plus 1 minus derivative of x cubed plus 1 is 3x squared ex cubed plus 1 ln of 4x squared minus 5. Now we need to rewrite this with the same denominator. So how do we do this? Multiply, it just looks better, multiply this by 4x squared minus 5 and do the same thing for the top, 4x squared minus 5. If you do that, you'll get derivative of y is equal to 8x. First the denominator is actually, maybe we're gonna be able to simplify. Yeah, let's leave the denominator ex cubed plus 1 times ex cubed plus 1. You'll see what I'm talking about. So let's leave this one as e x cubed plus 1 squared, which means ex. Let's leave it the way it was in the beginning. Now the top will be 8x e x cubed plus 1 minus, I'm gonna move this here, so 3x squared 4x squared minus 5 e x cubed plus 1 ln of 4x squared minus 5. And remember, all of this now it's over common denominator 4x squared minus 5. Now y prime is equal to, now all we need is, think of this as over 1, so division becomes multiplication. So this is 8x e x cubed plus 1 minus, I'm going to distribute 3x squared, so 12x4 plus, minus is plus, 3 times 5 is 15, x squared, well, let's leave it as a minus, and then e x cubed plus 1 ln of 4x squared minus 5. But now everything will be over 4x squared minus 5 times ex cubed plus 1. I'm going to write it as ex cubed plus 1 times itself. That's what we mean with the reason why, because I want to simplify, even though you don't have to, but just looks better. Now I'm going to factor ex cubed, or just get rid of one ex cubed from here, and then one from here. This is cube. So you'll get, it's kind of like you factor it and simplify it. So this is going to become 8x minus 12x4 minus 15x squared ln of 4x squared minus 5, everything over 4x squared minus 5 times e x cubed plus 1, and we're done with this problem.